Thanks to the integration with NAPA TRACS Enterprise and AutoTextMe, your technicians can receive completely digital work orders right on their tablets or mobile device. This work order is generated in NAPA TRACS once you've approved authorization. Let's take a look at how this works. Once you've gained the authorization, all you need to do is use that key tag field right here in NAPA TRACS. You type the letters WO. This is what our adapter is looking for as the trigger to generate that work order. You can keep any other information there, such as key tag data. All you need to do is have those letters. Hit save and close, and automatically the adapter is now going to take that work order information, parts and labor, and transfer it directly here in AutoTextMe. You open that work order and you'll see that now you have each of the jobs that you have placed on that ticket. You can expand the details. You can see labor and parts. You can see quantities and part numbers. You can clock in on the jobs and then, of course, mark them complete and even submit that digital work order. One of the key advantages of using digital work orders, you can actually manage your workflow and efficiency digitally. For more information on TechFlow and how that can be done, take a look at our training pages here at autotext.me or contact support for any assistance. Thanks for watching.